How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, great. Good evening once again. Your mic should be on
Good
mute.
evening, ma'am.
Mic should be on mute and your video should be on. Everyone,
Good
especially
morning.
Tanveer. Okay, the mic should be on mute. Okay. So today we are doing, our topic for the day is parts of a plant. Okay. Fine. So today we'll be doing parts of a plant. Okay. Now everyone has seen a plant? Yes or no? Okay, first thing, you don't have to write anything. Again, I'm saying you don't have to write. In case if you are doing any kind of homework, any written work, please stop doing that during this class. After this class, you can complete your work. Okay, just have a look on the board. This will be an interesting class, interactive class. Okay, so I want your attention here only, not anywhere else. Okay, so everyone has seen a plant, yes or no? Just give me a thumbs up, everyone. Okay, one by one, I will ask anyone. You can tell me the name of the parts of a plant. Okay, Arayana. Arayana, just tell me any part of a plant.
Yes, ma'am.
Any part of a plant.
Leaf बोलो. Leaf. Leaf.
Any part. Yes, leaf.
Leaf.
Okay, very good. Aditya Negi. Aditya Negi, any other part?
Ma'am. Aditya.
Yes.
Mute करो.
Tell me, Aditya Negi.
Ma'am, vegetable.
Okay, fruit or vegetable, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, and stem also.
One by one. Okay, Abhijay. Abhijay, just tell me.
Ma'am, root.
Roots. Okay. Yes, Arnav.
Ma'am, vegetable.
That we have written fruit or vegetable. Anything else?
Ma'am, flower.
Flower, okay. Flower, yes.
Ma'am, stem.
Beta, I am asking myself. Just wait. Tanveer, yes, Tanveer.
Yes,
Tell me part of a plant.
Ma'am, root.
Roots we have written. Anything else? Fast, bache, fast.
Ma'am, flower.
We have written. I think the board is visible. You can have a look at the board. Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, bud.
Sorry, bud. Yes, very good, bud. Yes, B-U-D, bud. Okay, one thing I want to tell, when others are answering, जब दूसरे बच्चे आंसर करते हैं तो आपको उनको भी सुनना है. What they are saying. You have to see the board, what I am writing. Okay, don't repeat things.
Ma'am,
That means you are not
Ma'am.
listening to others.
Ma'am, seeds.
Yes, seeds. Yes, Sachi, tell me. Any other thing?
Ma'am, stem.
Very good. Seed and stem. That's it. Okay.
Trunk.
That's it. That's it.
Ma'am, trunk.
Yes, that will come in stem only. Branches, stem. It is all same. Okay. Branches also we can write. Okay. Fine. Clear? So I will be sharing a video. Before that, we will be discussing what plants are. Okay. How are they useful? What kinds of plants we find? Okay. Now, as we know that plants are everywhere. Yes, we see plants. They are everywhere and they provide us. What do we get from plants? Yes.
Ma'am, fruit.
Oxygen. Achha, you don't have to write. If anybody is writing, please stop writing. You don't have to write anything. Just pay attention on screen. Okay? Likhna nahi hai kuch bhi. Okay. So plants are everywhere and they make our world beautiful. Kindly keep your mic on mute, everyone. Everyone. Thank you. Okay, now we can see that there are plants which grow on land, okay, and also in water. Can I have a name of a water plant or a flower? A flower that grows in water?
Ma'am, water lily.
Lotus.
Ma'am,
Water
lotus.
lily. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, lotus.
Yes, yes, that's
Ma'am, lotus.
yes, water lily, lotus. Yes. Okay. So, if we are talking about hilly areas, we can see there apple trees. Okay. In hilly region, we see apple trees. Okay. Then, if we go to a place, a desert place, रेगिस्तान जिसको हम बोलते हैं डेजर्ट जहां पे बहुत रेत होती है there we can see cactus. Okay, so cactus is a plant which grows in desert area. Then if we talk about beach, a beach area, any place which is near the beach, we can see coconut trees.
Ma'am, we can see palm trees also.
Yes, palm trees, coconut trees, these we can see near the beach area. Okay. And if we talk about our north region, okay, in these lands, in summer season, we can see mango trees or we can see trees with mangoes. Mangoes are there in summer season. So we can see mango fruit on trees. And if we talk about water region, if we talk about water area, we can see lilies in the ponds or lotus in water. So you can see there the plants, there are so many plants which grow in different regions, which grow in different seasons. Okay, accordingly, you cannot get apple in the beach area. Same, you cannot get coconut in the hilly region. So it is accordingly. Okay, plants, they grow according to their season. There is fruit on them according to their season. Like for example, you cannot get mangoes or lychee in winters. You cannot see. Okay, the fruit, it only grows in summers. So plants, they grow according to their season, according to their region. That means their area. Okay? Clear everyone? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, no, no. No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. That's it. You can just give me your thumbs up and thumbs down. No need to unmute because it creates lot of disturbance. Okay, I can see you all. So you can just give me a thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay, now first of all, I will be showing, okay, I'm showing you these pictures. Just have a look. Now this is a flower. Okay, this is a flower. Then we have this. This is a bud. Bud is which is not grown into a complete flower or a fruit. Okay, that is called as bud. B-U-D, bud. जो अभी पूरा flower नहीं बना है या fruit नहीं बना है. So it is a bud. Then we have leaves. Okay. Then we have stem which supports. And then finally we have roots. So these are basically the main important parts of a plant. Other than that, we have seeds, we have fruit also. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen. Then we will be doing then I will be showing you the video. Okay, first have a look on the screen. Okay, so here I have this picture. The first portion, if we talk about, it is a flower. Okay, no need to write on screen, please. Don't write on screen. Just have a look. So it is a flower which is on the top, which you can see very clearly. The part of the plant flower is one thing which we see very clearly. Samarth, don't write on screen. Okay, then we have stem. Now stem is the center part. Okay, center, this is a stem. This portion, this line or this supporting, you could say a branch or a stick. It is a stem. I don't know why it is not getting. Okay. Then we have leaf. Leaf, as we all can see, green color, leaf. Okay. And then we have roots. Now root is underground. It is under the soil. It is underground. So we cannot see the roots. Okay. Samarth and Avikshit, may I know what is happening? Aditya Negi.
मैम मैंने नहीं किया था ये स्क्रेबल. It was not me.
Aditya Negi and Samarth, kindly pay attention on screen. Don't scroll, don't write anything, don't draw, please. That worksheet is for me. You just have to look on screen. आपको सिर्फ screen पे देखना है. Okay. I would request everyone to kindly fold their hands and sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight, everyone. I can see you all. Now I'm sharing the video and I will be asking the questions. So if you are paying attention, you will be able to answer.
Learn about the parts of a plant. A plant has many different parts, and each part has a set of works to do to keep the plant healthy. Plants provide us with food materials, medicines, wood. And they also convert carbon monoxide into life-giving oxygen. Amazing! The two important main parts of the plant are the root and the shoot. Roots originate from the lower portion of a plant inside the ground. Roots absorb moisture and nutrients, anchor the plant in the soil, support the stem, and store food. Such as potatoes and carrots. Shoots is the part of plant that we can see above the ground level. The undeveloped shoot is called the bud. The shoot has different parts called the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let's learn about each part one by one.
Okay, so what they are saying that there is a plant which has roots, okay, which has roots. Now root is under the ground. Root is under the ground. And what you can see on the top is, tell me, this is root.
Sunflower.
Yes.
Sunflower.
Okay, we can also call that shoot, which you can see. Now they are saying that plants, they provide us food, fruits, vegetables, they provide us medicines. Okay, they also provide us wood. And most important thing, सबसे important जो है, they convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. Okay, plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, and oxygen is very important for us to live. That you all know? Give me a thumbs up if you know. Yes, so main thing is they convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. They provide us fruit, they provide us vegetable, they provide us wood. Okay, and also medicines. Okay, then this is a root and this is a shoot, that is the above portion. Then this is a bud. Now bud is that underdeveloped flower you can say. Okay, जो डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, जो अभी पूरा खिला नहीं है, बड़ा नहीं हुआ, or a fruit. So it is called as bud. Clear? I am writing here. Underground. These are underground roots. Okay? These provide minerals.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, beta, you don't have to write. Just have a look at the board. लिखना नहीं है आपको. Okay. Whenever in a pot or something you put water, आप मिट्टी में पानी डालते हैं? Yes, in your pot. So it absorbs your water, your minerals, and then it transfers to the stem. Plant को भेजते हैं कौन? Roots. Okay, so these are important. Then this is the stem. The portion that you are seeing is a stem. This supports your food, fruit, or this supports your flowers, this supports your plant. Center stick जिसको, जो भी आपको branch दिख रही है, these are stems. Then this is a bud. Bud that is underdeveloped, which is not developed, जो अभी पूरा नहीं बना है, पूरा नहीं खिला है. Okay, let's see further what they are saying.
The stem. It is the stalk of the plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. It is generally green when young and later often becomes dark brown.
Okay, so they are saying that stem is the part that keeps the plant upright. That means usko pura straight khada rakhta hai, and it helps it to stand, the stem. generally it is green in color when it is young. जब plant नया है, when it is young, then the color of the stem is green. And eventually, बाद में जब plant बड़ा हो जाता है or it grows old, then the color becomes brown. Okay? Which we can call trunk also. So if we see a big mango tree, the branch, the stem of that tree is brown. But when it is a young plant, जब वो छोटा है, the stem is green color. Okay?
The stem carries water and minerals from the roots to leaves and carries food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant.
Okay. Now what happens? Now this stem carries water and minerals from root. Okay? This stem carries water and mineral from roots to different part of plants. Now different part is your, what are these?
Ma'am, leaves.
These are leaves.
Ma'am, leaves. Ma'am, leaves.
Okay, so the stem carries minerals, water and other things from the roots to the different part of the plants. That means to the stem and to leaves. And then leaves are said to prepare. Leaves को बोला जाता है कि ये plant के लिए खाना बनाती हैं. Okay, they prepare food for the plant. So this process is done here. So when the stem is carrying the water and minerals from the root, it transfers it to leaves and other part of the plant. Clear? Any confusion? Any confusion to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now have a look further.
The branches. Branches are parts that grow from the stem. The leaves. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They're usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll that helps them to prepare their own food. Interesting. Leaves also make the oxygen in the air that we breathe. Leaves have small openings called stomata, through which plants take in and give out air. The flowers. Flowers generally are the showiest, beautiful part of a plant. Their fragrance and beauty attract pollinators, like birds and insects, that play an important role in the reproductive process. Isn't it cool? The fruits. By the process of pollination, many flowers grow into yummy fruits which we eat. So yum! The seed. The fruits contain seeds. Some fruits have one seed, some have two, and some fruits can have many seeds that grow into new plants. Here is the diagram for your review. Look carefully. This is root, the stem, branch, leaf, flower, and fruit. And these are seeds. Now you know a lot about parts of a plant. Please drop a like, leave a comment.
Okay, now we all have seen roots, stem. Now these are the branches. Okay, leaves generally grow on a branch. Yes, leaves, they grow on a branch. And food is sent from roots by the stem to different parts of the plant. And then we have a flower. We have a flower. Flower is also a part of a plant. And then we have fruit. Now fruit has seed inside it. Some fruits have one seed. You can tell me a fruit that has only one seed. Fruit that has only one seed.
Mango.
Very good.
Mango.
Very good. Mango. Fruit
Mango.
that has one seed is mango. Okay. And then on the other side, we have watermelon, which has so many seeds. We have muskmelon, which has so many seeds in it. So seeds, a plant grows from seed. This you all know that a plant, it grows from a seed. Okay. And seed is inside the fruit. Seed is inside the fruit. This is a plant. And then we have branches also. Adi, class khatam ho gayi to. So if we are talking about this is a branch. Okay? Clear everyone? The process, the function of root is, it is under. Okay, it is not above the soil, it is under the soil. मड के, मिट्टी के अंदर है. Okay, it is, you cannot see. You can only see the stem, branches, bud, fruit or flower. Roots you cannot see. Yes or no? Can you see or not? Just give me a thumbs up. Can you see roots? No, it is under the soil. Okay. So what root does? It holds the plant in the soil. Okay. Now I have this for you. Just have a look. Have a look here. Now, if I will put this plant in the pot. Okay, if I will put, you can see these roots. Can you see? आपको दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will put this plant like this straight in the soil. मिट्टी के अंदर मैं ऐसे डालूंगी so that these roots go inside. And what will happen? It will grow inside. ये मेरे pot के अंदर roots grow करेंगी. So these root will provide water, minerals to this stem. Can you see this stem? This stem. This center part. Can you see? Yes. So this will provide water and mineral to this stem, and this stem will further distribute. Now this is a branch. See, अब यहाँ पे देखो ध्यान से. ये stem है. This is a stem. Okay. Now this is a branch. जो अलग से निकल रही है. This is a branch, and leaf is attached to a branch. Okay, now this will help this plant to grow. This is a money plant, so it doesn't have a flower or a fruit, but the procedure is same. Okay, procedure is same. So one thing you can do, if you have a money plant at your home, बहुत बड़ा है, okay, and what you can do, you can cut a small shoot from above. आप उस plant के top से you can cut it till here so that you can have like 2-3 leaves and a stem. ठीक है, आप थोड़ा सा उसको ऊपर से कट करेंगे with 2-3 leaves and a stem. Then what you can do, you can put it inside a bottle with water. आपने उसको एक bottle में रखना है जिसके अंदर water होगा. In 2-3 days, or I hope in 5 days, you will see roots coming out. Now I will show you. I put this plant in the water 2 days before, okay? And I put this plant in the water 5 days before. So see, you can see few roots, and we will get roots in this also. I think like in 2-3 days. 2-3 days में मेरे इस plant में भी roots आ जाएंगे in water. Then what you can do when you find these roots, then you can, if you want, you can transfer this plant to a flower pot. आप मिट्टी में उसको लगा सकते हैं and you have a new plant at your house. Or you can keep it inside water also, this will grow. But try to change its water after 3 days. Okay, you can change the water after 3 days. So like this, the plant grows. Now it is getting its nutrients from the roots. Usko apna khana roots se mil raha hai, and it is passing all the food to the other parts of the plant by the help of stem. Okay, stem ki help se all the nutrients, water, minerals, they are being transferred to other part of the plant. I hope it is clear. Any confusion?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
main
No,
function of plant is to give you oxygen, okay, to make the air clean. They make the air fresh, and they also give us fruits, vegetables, medicines, wood. Wood is also being given by plants, paper also. Okay, so these are the things plants give us. Any question anybody wants to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I am having one more worksheet. Let's have a look at it. We have 5 more minutes. Okay, now this will make clear things. First of all, under the soil, this part is called as roots. Okay, this is called as roots. Now, what is the function of root? What is the function of root? It soak up water. वो water और minerals लेता है from the ground. Okay, it soak up water and mineral from the ground. Okay, then we will talk about stem. Now, stem is the center part. This center green part is the stem. Now, what is the function of stem? First of all, it supports the plant. अगर stem नहीं होगा तो हमारा plant बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so it supports the plant and it carries. वो water और minerals को लेके जाता है in the different part of plants. Okay, then we have leaves. Then we have leaves. Now what leaves do? What leaves do? They prepare food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Okay, sunlight is directly on leaves. So it prepares, it makes food for the plant. Okay, then we have flowers. Then we have flowers. What is the function of flowers? It helps in making the seed for the plant. Okay, it helps in making the seed for the plant. And with the help of seed, a fruit grows. Okay, a fruit grows, and that fruit is also having seed inside. Okay, flowers के बाद एक fruit बनता है. That fruit is also having a seed, and with the help of that seed, we can grow a new plant. So if we plant few seeds in a pot, आप कोई seed, suppose tomato seeds or any seeds, अगर आप किसी pot में लगाते हैं, lady finger seeds, so what will happen? a plant will grow. Okay, so with the help of seed, a plant grows, and leaves, they make food for the plant. Stem, it carries water and minerals to different part of plants. And what are root doing? Root is soaking up the mineral and water from the ground. Okay, so just like our body, जैसे हमारी body function करती है, each and everything, our hands, our mind, our eyes, just like each part of the plant has a different function. Okay, if any of the part stops functioning, अगर एक भी part अपना काम नहीं करेगा, so plant will not grow, it will die. Okay, so these are the parts of plant that work accordingly and they help each other in growing. Clear? Any confusion to anyone?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
great. I hope
No,
you are
ma'am.
clear. So I want that after this class, please give 5-10 minutes to yourself. If you have a plant at home, आप उसको जाके अच्छे से देखो. Okay, don't try to dug. तोड़ना नहीं है, उसको निकालना नहीं है. So can you see the roots? But just try to have a look at stem, leaves, branches, flowers. In case if there is a fruit, have a look at fruit. If there is a small bud, have a look at bud. Okay?
Ma'am,
And
it's vegetable also.
sorry.
Ma'am, it's
Okay, so that was all for today, and just try to have a look at all the parts of plant. Clear? And I will see you again in your next class.